The workshop, held under the theme Advancing Gender Equality for Sustainable Development, follows the policy's launch in March 2025. The third National Gender Equality and Equity Policy provides a comprehensive framework guiding multi-sectoral efforts to eliminate gender inequalities across various critical areas. These include poverty reduction, education, health, economic empowerment, governance, media, environment, legal affairs, peace building, and family equality. To improve coordination and implementation, the policy's 12 critical areas have been grouped into 6 clusters, each led by an executive director from a relevant ministry. These are gender-based violence and human rights, health and HIV, education and youth development, poverty and economic empowerment, governance and security, and media, research and communication. Attendees were reminded of their responsibility within the National Gender Permanent Task Force to advocate for gender equality and align national programs with gender commitments.
Recognizing the role that men and boys can play in mitigating issues such as gender-based violence, violence against children, mitigating issues of the further spread of HIV and AIDS, and promoting gender equality and equity as an important element in the lives of all. And it's also based on the principle of accountability for gender mainstreaming. And under this principle, stakeholders in both the public and private sector are required to account for gender mainstreaming.
One key initiative highlighted during the workshop is the gender-responsive planning and budgeting effort aimed at ensuring gender considerations are integrated across all sectoral policies and budgets.
To mobilize resources for the implementation of the policy. Why are we saying so? Because implementation of this policy does not rely solely on the Ministry of Gender, which is why it has 12 critical areas of focus. And you realize that some of the areas, the mainstream areas, cannot be implemented by the Ministry of Gender alone. And as such, it is our desire that all stakeholders are involved in the implementation of this policy. And they make required budgetary provisions for the programs that are geared towards achieving gender equality and equity in our country.
The induction workshop aims to strengthen collaboration across sectors, ensuring that the policy translates into real and measurable improvements in the lives of Namibian women, men, girls, and boys.